What's up, guys? Today I'm here at my new studio, and it's just going to be a little announcement about going into the future of this channel. And that is pretty much, I'm going to be doing reaction videos on social media viral posts from Thailand and maybe Southeast Asia also. So I'm very excited about the move going into the future. And then also, I'm still going to be doing condos and hotel videos and interviews also. But this is kind of like a cool new thing for the channel too, is to do these reaction videos, because there's a lot of really cool videos out there, and especially in Thailand, that may not always be available to the United States public. So, you might not really be able to see these viral videos. So I think it'll be kind of a cool thing to share those viral videos and then give you a little bit of a insight also into maybe the translation of it too, because a lot of these videos are in Thai, and maybe give you a little bit of more of an understanding on what's going on in these videos too. Okay, so I'm excited for the future. I'm trying to figure out the lighting, so if you have any tips on lighting, please let me know. And I'm trying to create kind of like a warm look, so if you have any tips on that, let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to this channel, maybe surprisingly, this is the first video you're seeing of me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button so you get updated for my future videos.